Let's go! It's time for a demo of our product Vago. Once you install and configure it, you'll see a dashboard like this, where all your chats are available in one place. Now, don't worry about how to install or configure it just yet. I've made separate videos for that. In this video, we're just going to look at the demo. So, I've configured my personal number for a business called Kapoor Cafe. I've created an agent and given it complete instructions that you are the agent of Kapoor Cafe, along with all the knowledge about the cafe. And the best part, you don't have to type any of this yourself. Our platform comes with pre-built templates which you can simply customize according to your business. And any questions your clients frequently ask, you can add those too. Right now, I've configured 3 to 4 questions. So let's kick off the demo. Here's that number. Let me send a hi right now. And look at that! The agent instantly replied with a hello. Now let me ask, can you send me your menu? Look at that! The agent sent over the menu image. We had configured it so that whenever someone asks for the menu, it sends this image. This is a sample menu that I had added. But wait, that's just the beginning. You can also chat with it in your own language. Watch, I'll now ask in Hindi. आपके होटल में parking है क्या? Which means, do you have parking at your hotel? See that? I asked in Hindi and the agent replied in Hindi. This agent can reply in multiple languages and can also send multiple images and documents. Now you must be wondering, what happens if someone asks the agent a question it doesn't know the answer to? Let's test it. I'll ask, how many employees do you have? The agent doesn't know the answer to this, so it won't respond to the customer directly. Instead, it will flag this question in the dashboard so that you can go and answer it yourself. Look at the dashboard. The agent has flagged that question right here. As new unknown questions come in, they keep getting listed here automatically. So first, go ahead and reply to the customer manually on WhatsApp. Then come back to the agent and fill in the answer for that question. I'll type in 500 here and hit save. Done! That question has now been added to the agent's knowledge base. The next time anyone asks the same question, the agent will reply with 500 all by itself. The agent keeps learning and getting smarter. And if you're running an ad campaign, simply run your ad and link it to WhatsApp. The moment a lead clicks on your ad and starts chatting on WhatsApp, Vago will engage with them and collect all the information you need. You don't have to do anything extra. So that was the demo of our product Vago. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.